Have you noticed a warning light on your dashboard saying low coolant, but when you check under the hood, the reservoir looks completely full? You might be dealing with code P2556, which indicates an issue with the Engine Coolant Level Sensor or switch circuit. This code can be tricky because it makes you think you have a leak when you actually have an electrical problem. This generic OBD2 code applies to many vehicles like Audi, Ford, BMW, and Lincoln. The system works like the gas gauge in your tank. It uses a float inside the coolant reservoir. When the level drops, the circuit closes to warn you. However, when the PCM detects improper voltage or resistance in the circuit, it sets code P2556. The severity here is moderate. If the sensor is lying and you actually are low on coolant, you risk overheating the engine, which can cause catastrophic damage. Symptoms include the cooling system warning lamp or the check engine lights staying on. Common causes are a stuck float in the sensor, broken wires, corroded connectors, or a failed sensor itself. To troubleshoot, first check for any technical service bulletins related to your car. Then locate the coolant reservoir or radiator where the sensor is mounted. Look closely at the wiring harness. Since this is in a hot engine bay, wires can become brittle or rub against metal parts. Unplug the connector and check for corrosion on the pins. If the wiring looks good, the issue is often the sensor itself, which may just be stuck due to sludge in the cooling system. You can test the wiring continuity with a digital multimeter if you have the technical references for your specific vehicle. If you are unsure about electrical testing, this is a good time to see a professional because an overheating engine is a very expensive repair.